This is my collection video of shoes I've collected so far. Alright, shoe number 1. I actually started out size 7, and then I grew up to now I'm 8.5. So I just have these Air Maxes I got gifted to me. I haven't cleaned them yet. I have to clean them. But I love these. They're mad comfortable. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they're really comfortable. And that's what they look like right here. Very clean shoe. I just have to clean them. Very nice. But yeah, let's get into the second shoe. It is a sample. Not a sample, sorry. It's B grade, but I like these a lot better than the white bottom ones. Just saying. Let me get both of them out here for you. And yeah, the whole problem with these were they're really soft leather, by the way. If you are looking to get these, you should. I recommend them. Okay, so I have another orange box. This is back when I was size 7. These are Kobe 9s, lows of the Easter. And these I just beat. Like, I totally beat these. But I still love them. They're an awesome shoe. This one sat on shelves for a while, and I got it online like a week after it came out. But these are Jordan 3. And let me get them out. Wolf Gray. And yeah, I wear these a lot. I actually wear these the most out of my shoes. They just go with like everything, every outfit. There's a plain gray and black. A lot of people customize them and paint them black, which I think looks pretty fresh. But I don't want to do that because I actually like them this way. Okay, the next one is size 7, and these are probably not just because they're all hyped up. I have the insoles out right now. Not because they're hyped up or anything, but these are my favorite shoes. Just my favorite shoes in general out of every shoe. Just because this is the first shoe I've ever got out of my collection and out of series shoes, and I absolutely love this shoe. It goes with every single outfit. They're dope. The bottoms, they're yellowing because I've worn them a matter of, I'd say 8 times, 10 times. Say 10 times. They're not dirty. Clean them all the time. Okay, so we have another size 7, and these I love too, just the all white. These are the Grapes, Grape 5s. Very dope shoe. Love them. They barely fit me. I have to wear them without insoles if I really do want to wear them. I don't wear them that often, but these are definitely a nice pickup I got. I love them. The bottoms are, a lot of people like hated them, and then a lot of people like them. In my opinion, I like them, but not to as the point where I'm not a LeBron 11 fan. Like, I don't wear them out places. If I would ever wear LeBron 11, it'd be to like play basketball or, you know, with shorts in the summertime. These are definitely a summer shoe. Play basketball in them a few times, but I definitely like them. They're very comfortable, and they are a little bulky though, so. Okay, so at this point, I'm not even seeing a Jordan box, and that is because these aren't Jordans. These are size 8, and these are very, very, very underrated. Very nice shoe for going out. They have the color I have, black and white, and I'll show you the color right now. Very dope shoe. Alright, so these are the British Knight quilts, and these are the all red colorway. They have the all black and they have the all white. I definitely, if I were to get another one, it would be all white because they look sick. But these are the shoe. They have the gold accents right here, and this is what they look like. Very nice shoe, like very underrated. I think they're 80 bucks, and that is a crazy price for these. I'll put them in the. Okay, so up next we have Kobe 9, size 7.5. Definitely like these shoes. Wore them a lot. I clean them up all the time because I definitely wore them more than I should have, because these are just a very nice shoe. They go with a lot of things too. The nice infrared hits on everything, and yeah, they're very nice. I have to clean them, but they're not too bad. They were very, very bad, and I made a cleaning video. If you go, I'll put the link in the description. That shows you how to clean any types of shoe, but I cleaned this one, for example. Okay, so this is the last shoe I'm going to show you guys. I only really showed you my favorite shoes. The other, I have like Roshes, and I have Nike Free Runs and all those types of shoes, but these are definitely the ones that I like the most. And these right here are my favorite besides the Gammas. These are definitely one of my favorites. And I got these. There's a big story about these. I'll probably make a story video on how I got these. But yeah, so I will show you the shoe right now. And these are dead stock because I don't really, you know, I want to bring them out in the summertime. I didn't want to wear them because these came out in September, I think, to be exact. And I also have the receipts right here for any of the people, you know. But yeah, there's the receipts. Right there we have the, oh shoot, no, they're not DS anymore. No, I'm joking. But yeah, I have this stamp right there in the box. Close this. So yeah, these are a very, very, very nice shoe. Very. These are my favorite LeBron 11 colorway. I mean, there's every colorway in them. What the heck? But yes, these are one of my favorites. And my favorite shoe, I would have to say, out of both of them, is this one right here. Just because of the tongue and the inner liner. I just love those both features. On this shoe, my favorite part would have to be the I like the insole, actually, Fruity Pebbles, and the insole, the inner liner and the insole right there, NYC, because I was born in New York, so that's the only reason why I like them. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and comment. Peace out.